Hey guys, welcome back to M.R Toys Learn Fun. Today we have some very fun surprise eggs. We have 4 surprise eggs and 1 surprise blind bag. So let's get into it. We have a Chase Paw Patrol egg. We have a unicorn surprise egg. We've got a Sky Paw Patrol egg and an emoji egg. And then for the blind bag, we have this Peppa Pig blind bag. So let's get into it. So, which egg should we open first? Which one do you guys want to open? The orange, blue, pink, or purple egg first? Or maybe the Peppa Pig surprise bag. Let's start with Chase. Alright, this is Chase from Paw Patrol. This is a big surprise egg, as you can see. And I can hear the toy in there, so let's start opening it up. Oh dear, it is a huge egg. I mean, look at the size comparison compared to my hand. Alright, let's open it up. And, oh, it's really hard to open up. There it is. There it is. The surprise capsule. Alright, let's put the chocolate aside. Alright. What do you guys think it is? Could it maybe be a Chase surprise? And it is! Alright. It is a Paw Patrol chain. It's a Chase keychain. You can hang this on your backpack, on your keys, anywhere really. Look how cool. And it's blue and has Chase on it. Alright, we have this little collector sheet, and as you can see, we got Chase. Oh no, we got this one. All the things you can collect. Keychains and more keychains. Yeah, pretty cool, right? Let's put it here. Alright, next one. Let's open up the Sky Paw Patrol egg. I think my favorite character from Paw Patrol is Chase. Which one is y'all's favorite? Alright. Still, very, very big chocolate egg. Oh! Let's put it aside. Here it is. Here is the capsule. Here's something in there. Alright, wonder who we got this time. Did we get a Sky or a Chase? We got a Marshall. Alright, Marshall is also one of my favorite Paw Patrol characters. He is orange and he's the fireman. Chase is the policeman. Look how cool. Alright. So, if we look at the sheet, the collector sheet, we got Chase and Marshall. Next egg, let's open up the unicorn one. And this one, I can't really hear anything from. There is no sound. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Could it be empty? What do you guys think? Alright, open. Oh, there it is. I hear it. There it is. Alright. Put this aside. And what do you guys think we got? Did we maybe get a unicorn keychain? It is a bracelet. Look how cute. All right, it has a unicorn on it. And let's look here. There are many unicorn bracelets to collect. And it looks like a few rings. Yeah, or rings or bracelets. Let's put this one on and see how it looks. Alright, I got it on, guys. And oh, look how cute. Oh, I wish I got more of these. Maybe I can get a ring or multiple rings and a bracelet. More bracelets maybe? Alright, let's open this one, the emoji. The last egg, it had rolled over earlier. But now let's open it up. I love emojis. I always use them when I'm texting with my friends and family. What's your guys' favorite emoji? I think mine has to be the laughing emoji with the tears. Alright, here it is. Oh, I'm making a mess again. Let's dust that away. Alright. Ooh, I hear a little chain in there. Could it be that we got another keychain? Well, here's this one. And it is another keychain, and it's the monkey closing its eyes. This is one of the money emojis we have. Let's look at the collector sheet. We could have gotten the rainbow poop, the monkey, the laughing crying one, my favorite, the heart eyes, another monkey, and a smiling one. Also very happy. But we got this one. How cute, how cool. Alright, so let's put this one here and here. Now it's time for the Peppa Pig blindbag. Let's put this aside. I'll keep this one on. Alright, this is the Peppa Pig, Peppa, George, and 4 friends collect. Okay, well, we got Peppa, Susie Sheep, Rebecca Rabbit, George, Danny Dog, and Zoe Zebra. The color, wash, clean, and recolor. Wash me clean. It comes with a felty, comes with markers, collectors, sheet, and it comes with the, I guess, the actual character. Who do you guys think we got? I'm hoping for Danny Dog. He's my favorite. Alright, let's open this bag up. Alright. We got Peppa, it looks like. Yeah, it is Peppa. Alright. So it's kind of fuzzy and she has no color, so we color her. As you can see, she is very much white, and we have these 3 colors to paint her. Pink, darker pink, and red. Let's look at Peppa. How does she look? Right, let's start. Let's start with her very red dress. So let's use red. Put it here. So we paint Peppa, and then we can wash her and paint her again. So let's do that. Alright. It's gonna take a long while, but let's do our best. Alright. And see. Alright, this side is done. Obviously, I can't really paint it good because the marker's kind of tiny and, well, it's kind of difficult. Let's do our best. Right. Okay. Yeah. Peppa is oh no. Alright, Peppa is colored. I got some on my table, but it's okay. Let's put the cap on. Okay, next up, let's paint her cheeks with the darker pink. We'll use the light pink for her body, the rest of her body. And then let's do her nostrils. Okay. Let's now. Oh wait, we forgot her mouth. The colors are very sticky, they get everywhere. Alright, now let's paint Peppa's body. Oh, different ears. Let's paint on your nose. No. Okay, we're almost like that. Feet. Take out her head. Very small. So the tip, let me see, it's really obviously take a long time. It's okay. We have time. Look at her ears, her cheeks. Alright, okay, this is almost as good as it's gonna get, obviously. I can be more better. Alright, Peppa. This is Peppa. I'm Peppa Pig. Yeah. Now let's try the washing method. So I'm just gonna go and get some water so we can test try washing Peppa. So yeah. Alright, so I've got my water and a cup, and we're going to get Peppa here and wash her. All the paint is coming off. How cool is that? Alright. As you can see, Peppa is all clean and ready to be painted again. Isn't that so cool? You can just erase and color however you like. So now, if I want to, I can easily get Peppa here to sit, and I can paint her red instead. I can paint her eyes red. And her cheeks red. I think it's because, okay, so I don't think that you can paint on Peppa when she's all wet. She has to dry, I think. But let's say I don't like her red eyes. I can just wash them away. Isn't that so cool? That is so cool. Oh my god. Okay. So today what we got was a Peppa, little pig. We've got a pig. We got 3 markers to paint on the pig. We got a emoji keychain of this monkey closing his eyes. We got we got a chase keychain. We we've got a Marshall keychain, and we got this really cute unicorn bracelet. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe to not miss anything new on our channel. And if you want to see us open all of these toys you see here, then subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss it, and you can watch us open all of these cool toys and surprises. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and this is M.R Toys Learn and Fun, and I hope you guys have a nice day. Bye!